Ways to distinguish airflow balancing from air balancing in HVAC management? Airflow balancing can be confused with air balancing when dealing with building management system. Although both are part and parcel of routine operations of HVAC system, their nature and operation still differ from each other. Air balancing: it is responsible for maintaining balanced airflow in your facility with proper functioning of HVAC components. Since every temperature-controlled building has hot and cold spots which can increase energy consumption of building, proper adjustment of HVAC product can play a vital role in dealing with imbalanced temperature. Airflow balancing: this process directly relates with adjusting temperature points in the heat exchanger of your HVAC unit. Heat exchanger is a device which transfers heat from one matter to another, and in this case it exchanges thermal energy taken from inside air to the outside air and maintains a balanced flow of air in the facility. So it entirely depends upon proper functioning of heat exchanger, which thus optimizes your system. Comparison strategy: after ascertaining the fundamental difference between air balancing and airflow balancing, let's dig deeper into the main differences between them. Air balancing is responsible for maintaining balanced atmosphere in different parts of temperature control facility, while airflow balancing deals with adjusting temperature points inside the heat exchanger device of HVAC. Air balancing takes place outside the HVAC body on building management level, while airflow balancing happens in heat exchanger device inside HVAC installations. Air balancing is mostly handled by BMS professionals. These facility controllers use BMS software to tackle with hot and cold spots. While airflow balancing is normally dealt by HVAC technicians who perform this task by optimizing HVAC. However, recently a new software called Cedar has been developed which can be installed in heat exchanger device to optimize HVAC system. This software enhances the efficiency of airflow balancing process by monitoring and adjusting heat exchanger almost after every minute by keeping it optimized 24/7. To know more about the Cedar, you read more on this here. Which one is more energy efficient? Both are equally important when reducing energy consumption. Air balancing reduces the extra burden on your HVAC system by tackling hot and cold spots of your building and maintaining balanced atmosphere, while HVAC airflow balancing reduces the cost of HVAC operations and saves your precious money. If you want your BOSS and HVAC systems function at their maximum potential, this user-friendly software can make it happen. A good decision is always made on the basis of knowledge. I am working on to bring advantages of dynamic HVAC balancing software in eyes of public so everybody can save energy, improve air quality and building management. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/hanan_ahmad_shafiq/1124857